Dear parishioners and Marian devotees, we are now in the second Sunday of Lent, on the third week of March. Let us make our 40-day Lenten journey more spiritual and interior. Our aim is inward transformation through prayer. These days, let me invite you to spend time to pray and offer small sacrifices to Jesus joyfully. We have started the novena in honor of Saint Joseph, whose feast we shall celebrate on March 19. We should not overlook the importance of Saint Joseph. When God the Father decided to send Jesus, his Son, into the world to be part of the human family as an infant, He chose Joseph and Mary to be His parents. It was Joseph who protected Him, cared for Him, guided Him, and prepared Him for His life's mission. Joseph reminded Jesus that He was more than a carpenter. He instilled in Him prayer, obedience, sense of duty, and the spirit of sacrifice. He is therefore a model of a good father and a dutiful husband, a dedicated mentor who accompanied his child to take his place in the world and make it a better place. Saint Joseph is given a prominent place as patron of the universal church and patron of a happy death. These days, Father Fidel Orendine, the provincial superior of the South Province, is staying with us here in the parish, in Lourdes Parish, from March 9 to 14. The purpose of this annual provincial visit is to review our life and mission and ensure fidelity to the charism of Saint John Bosco. Last week, an unidentified person tried to claim the ownership of our Facebook page. But thanks to our brilliant young people, we have regained its ownership. Rest assured, we have secured our page. Thanks for your continued support. Like Saint Joseph, let us aim to live well and die well.